And please just give what movies? What are Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Blush Bakes and Bows. It's Hasti here today, and as the name suggests, we're going to be doing the best friend tag. So I have my best friend here, and her name is Rishika. So we know each other since we were 11 years old, and it has been a mad journey ever since then.
Of course.
So let's not waste any time and let's get into the video. Yeah, I do that. Okay, so we're going to be asking each other questions and let's see who knows who better.
I'm gonna win.
Yeah, we'll see that. So the first question is, when and where did we meet first? Do you remember what you were wearing or why we were both in the same place at the same time?
School. And we were
Yeah.
wearing school uniform.
Yeah.
And we were there because we were forced to be there.
Rishika does not like spelling. What is the name of your best friend's first crush? Did they ever hook up or did he or she never tell their crush how they felt about them?
Should I name it?
Let's just make it
Should I
celebrity
name it?
crush and not normal crush. Rishika's first celebrity crush was Vivek Oberoi.
Hashtag do not judge.
And
Ours was Zad Khan.
yeah. Hashtag do not judge me either. They were cool back in their time.
Yeah.
So yeah. What is the one fear that you have that you never told anyone about?
I think cats and dogs.
No, I don't. Okay, I am scared of them, but I don't dislike animals. Okay.
And also stairs.
Yeah.
She cannot climb.
I can
Or
climb
climb up.
downstairs. I'm just scared of climbing them down. Like I'm very careful when I do.
Like baby steps.
And Rishika has a fear of losing people. She has a fear that one fine day all of us are going to come up and tell her we don't give a shit about her, which is so not true. Imagine your best friend all alone on a deserted island. What are the 3 things that he or she would want with them?
You say first. I'm thinking.
Rishika would want her phone, definitely her phone. Second, I think a carton filled with pav bhaji. People don't come to get her. And 3, I would say me, but I'm not a thing.
Hasti would want a phone, of course.
Yeah.
And her laptop with all seasons of Friends. And maybe a Sydney Sheldon book.
Oh yeah, I would really want all that. What movies does your best friend watch over and over again?
I go first.
Yeah.
Aisha,
Yeah, I can watch Aisha over and over again.
K3G, that is Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham.
Yeah. They're like all those movies, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham,
Yeah,
Kuch
ये
Kuch
जवानी
Hota
है
Hai,
दीवानी कुछ कुछ होता है.
Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, all those.
कल हो ना हो.
Yeah, Rishika loves Kal Ho Na Ho, any Ranbir Kapoor movie for that matter
Yeah.
for her.
Except of Besharam and Savarya.
And Sosan. She can go on and on with that. What is the one part of your friend's body or aspect of their personality that they love the most? Rishika loves eyebrows.
I don't love my eyebrows, I just want them to be perfect all the time.
All the time. Like the first thing she will notice in another person is also eyebrows.
I think for Hasti, maybe her dimple.
Yeah, it is important. Everyone has an ideal partner or spouse that they would love to be with. Who is your friend's ideal partner or date? I don't want to answer that on camera. And I'm not allowing her to either.
But you can celebrity.
Yeah, celebrity.
Yeah,
okay.
I think
you go first.
Amal Malik. Or maybe
Oh,
Varun
yeah.
Dhawan.
Mine is Amal Malik and hers is
Arman Malik.
We both love the Malik brothers.
And we are hoping for the day when we get married to the Malik brothers.
Yeah.
We'll be in the
Someday.
same house.
On an average, how long does it take your best friend to get dressed in the morning? 10 minutes.
30 minutes.
I take longer.
Yeah.
If your friend had one job in the world that he or she could do forever, what would it be? Rishika always wanted to be an air hostess so she can go on and on with it forever, I'm pretty sure. She loves traveling.
Maybe actress. Or a singer. I've got an amazing voice.
Yeah, right.
For Hasti, I think she wanted to become a lawyer, but now she's not that. She's okay.
It's quite boring to do like for my entire life. It's not even exciting.
But she wanted to do that. I think now anything related to cricket.
Oh yeah. Anything. Based on your friend's style, what type of clothes would they feel most comfortable wearing? For her, nothing.
Yeah. Why would I, if I have a choice, why would I wear clothes?
Why wouldn't you? Okay, for her, I think she loves wearing her pajama shorts and just lying at home nicely.
Yeah, even you would wear pajamas.
Yeah, I think pajamas is the
And
most
a loose
comfortable.
t-shirt.
Yeah. What is your best friend's all-time favorite television show? What show do they prefer watching now?
Friends.
Friends is the one I'm watching now, but all-time
All-time
favorite is
Sarabhai
Sarabhai
was
versus Sarabhai. Yeah, both of us watch that. And for Rishika, it is Gossip Girl. She's watching Gossip Girl.
XOXO. Gossip Girl.
What movie genre would your best friend watch? Horror, chick flick, comedy, action, drama?
Horror.
Has to be horror for both of us. We love it. Be honest, what is the one thing that your friend says or does that drives you absolutely insane? I want to pee. Every time Rishika Shah says I want to pee, it's either in the wrong place or at the wrong time, and she just wants to pee every time.
For Hasti, it is going to be, I am not going to say sorry.
Yeah, because if it's not my mistake, why should I say sorry?
I have a tall ego. I'm not going to say sorry.
I don't have an ego at all.
And
You shouldn't say that.
I
She's my
don't.
best friend. She's like, I have to go look at her. What phobia does your best friend have that only you know about? So this is funny. Both of us have the same phobia, and that is
ball. Like not like football, basketball.
throwball. Every time, even in school, when somebody used to throw a ball at us, we used to run. Rather than catching the ball, we used to just run away. Or the fear of getting hurt, I think. So yeah, ball is the only fear both of us have. Like
I
phobia.
have one more phobia. You forgot.
No. You have stairs like me, and that's not a lot. What is this?
The red flowing thing.
Oh, she has phobia of blood. Like even if a drop of blood and
I'm
Rishika's
gonna
going to
faint.
start crying. She's literally start crying. Yeah, faint. If there's a lot, she's going to faint for sure. My best friend has an obsession about one thing, something he or she always thinks about. What is it?
Currently friends.
Yeah, I am a little more than obsessed with
Obsessed,
friends.
What's up, friends? What are you doing, friends?
And what is Rishika obsessed with, guys?
Let's just not say it.
Do you want me to say it?
It's
Because
not a
there's
thing.
one thing that she keeps talking about every
It's
time.
not a thing.
Okay, let's not say it on camera. A friend is on stage with a crowd of people listening to every word he or she says. What would your friend say? Definitely a lame joke that only she and Tanvi, if you're watching this, is going to be laughing at, and everybody's just going to be like, why?
No, my jokes are really funny.
Crack
Even
one.
you are gonna laugh. Because she is going to be, I think, debating over something and arguing or something, and that person is just going, the opposite person is just going to give up. Because Hasti is going to be all over that person with her eyes wide big, and the person is just going to look at her eyes like, oh, okay, I give up. I'm sorry.
I am not that bad, okay? I don't go all over that person. That's it for today. Those were all our questions. Comment down below and tell us who won. I know it's definitely me, but she would not believe me. So I need you guys to comment down below and tell us. And yeah, if you'd like to see more of Rishika, do tell us that also. Our jaws are paining, definitely. Let me know if yours did. And yeah, if you think Rishika is cute and if you enjoyed our best friend tag, please give this video a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And yeah, we'll see you all soon. Bye. 1, 2, 3. And what are we doing?
Like 1, 2, 3, stop.
Go. You guys show us your dance moves. That's not even how I say bye.
You say like bye.
I'm like bye.